Okay, guys, today we got a real simple thing. Pizza, flatbread pizzas. Okay, first one up, we're going to do a simple margarita. So let's just get that one rolling. You could use any flatbread you like. These are the artisanal, many brands out there. I just opened them. I'm not a big deal to show you which, because you're going to have your own preference. This is the one I picked up at Aldi's. Okay, just brush on some olive oil. And moisten it up. Okay. First one we're doing real simple because it's Vinny's favorite, and that's what he likes. I have to make what he likes. It's the way it is, guys. Now I'm a little hooked on this. It's a little pricey, though. I'm going to have to start making my own sauce. Rayo's Pizza Margarita is delicious, but this little jar is $5, $4.99. Okay? I'm not feeling that. I like the taste, but I'm not feeling the price. But it is very good for a pizza sauce, and I've tried many out there. Trust me. Through the years, I'm always making my Pillsbury pizzas, my flatbread pizza, and whatever have you. But this is good. I've tried canned ones. I've tried the ragu jar, not so great. I'm going to put a little bit more. Relax, cameraman. Nobody's asking you in the peanut gallery over there. Stay behind the scenes. Okay. You don't. It's true. And the thing about this is good, and he's right. He can have more sauce. And the good thing about the flatbreads and this thick one, I'm going to get the name of it. I'll show you the package if I got to pull it out of the garbage. It's heartier. It's a good dough. And it's pretty dry, this flatbread. So it can manage all this sauce. It's not going to hurt it, is what I'm trying to say. Is that enough sauce for you, monsieur?
Yeah.
Huh? Yeah? All right. Now, we're going to this is classic, fresh mozzarella. We're going to shred some up here. Put it around. That he likes, I know, right? Lots of mozzarella. Want it all the way to the edge. It's going to melt, hopefully. I've never used these before, so I've done flatbread pizzas, but not with this particular bread, so we'll see. Should be good, should be good, should be good. I don't see a problem. Now, you want this last piece to eat? Or should I? Let's use it up. Let's use it up. This way we get it to spread to the edges here. Okay. Now, what I'm most excited about and able to do the very traditional is my basil plant. I'm so excited about this. I bought this. And this is as fresh as it gets, guys, right off the plant. The smell is outrageous. Forget about it. And you just rip it, and you just put some on there. And there's nothing else for a margarita pizza. This is it. On the finale, when it's finished, if he wants, he can have some grated cheese, Parmesan on it, whatever like that. But this is classic, basic margarita pizza. Marinara sauce, mozzarella, fresh mozzarella, and basil. There is margarita. That's flatbread number one. Let me put this aside because then we're going to show you when they're both done. Okay. Now we're going to move on and do number two. This one, I've done some hot onions, red onions sauteed. We got some mild sausage. Let me see. We may or may not use the mozzarella because I have it on the other one. And I'm proud to say and want to show you in the full pan, blistered cherry tomatoes sauteed with olive oil and garlic. This is going to be my artisanal style pizza. Let me just get the cheese because I don't think I want mozzarella. What? No, I don't. This one's for me. You have your margarita. I'm getting Gouda cheese. You're not having two pizzas, sir. Let me just get my, did you take my Gouda cheese? We'll do a little mixture of both. I'm going to do shredded mozzarella and some Gouda to show you two styles. Why, you don't like that one? Okay, let's put a little bit of the oil on first. Drizzle the oil. And then in place of a jar sauce, this is to give you both options and both variations. you see a lot of times just fresh tomato on a pizza. That's why I came up with the blistered cherry tomatoes, because I had them left from my, again, what did I make with them? The pasta salad. See, I don't waste anything. I don't like to waste nothing. So I had seen these in so many recipes and then eaten them in so many restaurants, the blistered tomatoes, and I never did them, to be honest. Today's the first, so they were smelling fantastic with the garlic and oil in the pan. So I'm sure they're going to be lovely on here. Okay, so that's moistening it up, giving good flavor with the olive oil. Now, I think I want to put the cheese down first and then the onions. Where's my just simple mozzarella, shredded mozzarella parts, grandma natural. See, my fingers are a little wet. Okay, let's get some of this on here. This is the very finely grated. Very finely grated. Okay. Okay, there you go on that. And let's put some Gouda. This is very good. You like this. This is tasty. This is going to go lovely with the sausage. Promise you. Oh, that's what you thought I said? No. No, I meant no of the fresh. That's different. This is a bag shredded mozzarella. This is fresh. They're both different, and I want to have the different taste and flavors on it. But these go good together, and we'll get to see how they taste together. Now, we need those tomatoes. We need those tomatoes. Get those on. Look at that. All right, my mouth's watering. That's a good sign. Look at that. Oh my goodness. No, this is the tomato. Remember how Rini makes us the focaccia, and all she puts is just tomato? Not even this kind. She uses the salad tomato, and we love it. Our neighbor makes the most wonderful, and she's like 95 now. She stopped last year making it, but all she did was use focaccia with tomato, a little bit of oregano, salt, and pepper, and she would bring it over to us, and it was scrumptious. It was all crispy and delicious. Do you want a few dollops of the regular tomato sauce as well? Because you have to eat all this, so I wouldn't normally put it. Now we're going to do the onions. Look at this. This is fabulous. This is fabulous. I've never made this combination. I made it up. From watching everybody's different combos, I like these flavors, and you will like your own. Make peppers if you want, sausage. A lot of people do. I saw sausage and peppers. But, you know, I can have that in a pan. I'm not so crazy about that on a pizza. And my favorite, I have to make it. I'm not even going to say it. I'll just make it. Because I mentioned the recipe once, and then next thing I know, it was made by somebody. Okay. I got to use them all. Okay. What am I skirting around here? It's just, I love onions. And these are all fresh red onions. Okay. Now let's get some sausage on there. Now these I could strategically place. Okay. This is delicious. I like them. I like crispy. This is going to be fantastic. I'm going to have to cook them one at a time, guys, because I don't know. I have 2 pans. You saw the other one. It's huge. That's the full size. Both of these do not fit side by side. That's how big this bread is. I don't know what the deal is, but I have to actually cook them separately one at a time, and I will show you when they're both cooked and how they look, and we'll cut and taste and do all that good stuff for you. But that's the situation. I can't what were you about to say, Vinny?
Maybe the 2 pans will fit side by side in the oven.
Okay, now he's doing camera work and recipe arrangement. All right, there it is, guys. I got to rinse my hands. We'll go off. We'll be back in a flash of the camera when Vinny edits. You'll see them in a few seconds, and we'll show them cooked. Okay, guys, here they are. Here's your basic margarita pizza with tomato sauce, fresh mozzarella, and basil. And here is the sausage, sweet Italian sausage with red onions, blistered cherry tomatoes, Gouda, and mozzarella shredded cheeses. And they look fantastic. So we're going to cut them up. Okay, they did not fit on one pan. We had to cook them on the top and bottom. Our house smells fantastic. It's a little bit of a mess. Okay. See what I was saying about it's a hearty dough? The ouch, the flatbreads are fantastic for that. No soggy pizza. Alexa, cancel. Okay. That's fabulous. Okay. Put that onto there. Which one do you want to have first? Doesn't matter. Okay. And we're not going to taste because they're piping hot, but they are delicious and they're going to be great. I hope you make them and try them. And I'll see you in the next video. Remember, if you like my content, hit the subscribe button for more recipes.